Have a good operating Craftsman zero turn here. 42-inch deck, nice wide stance on this mower. Seat has a few little cracks in it, just cosmetic. Outside of that, this thing starts, runs, and operates just like it should. 24 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor. It has had the exhaust changed from what I can tell. I mean, it just doesn't look factory, but outside of that, it's fine. It operates fine, doesn't smoke, doesn't make any noises or vibrations that it shouldn't be. It does have a little hole in the grass chute. Outside of that, this thing's good to go. It's got an hour meter, surprisingly, even though this is a homeowner unit, and it has 800 hours on this thing. Pretty sure. Good charged battery. Yep, 820 hours. Choke is all the way forward on the throttle. They're not honking at me, they're honking at somebody turning into this parking lot that slowed down in the middle of a one-lane highway, so that's super cool. Fire it up. Oh, gotta have the e-brake on. No bad vibrations, no smoke. Rev it back up. I choked it a little bit. I'll come back down just so you know I did. I forgot it's got choke on the throttle. Deck height is right here. Put it a little bit low because this grass is really already mowed. Blades operate well. Deck is not vibrating or squealing or anything like that. Got to have the e-brake off to bring the arm in. This mower's got pretty good ground speed for a homeowner. Cut. I know you probably can't see that super well because this grass is already mowed, but it does have a nice cut.